Today, I'm going to show you a secret hack that you can use in Shopify that'll help to increase your abandoned cart recovery rate by 300%. Let's jump into it. So most store owners don't realize that the average abandoned cart rate is around 70%, which means around 7 out of every 10 customers that go through your checkout process are going to end up leaving. And in my experience, a lot of brands are doing a pretty decent job of trying to get their customers to come back through things like email and SMS. But where they really struggle is getting them to actually convert. So they may send this email, but the open rates and click-through rates are low. And the actual conversion rates on a lot of these campaigns, again, are pretty low. So today, I'm going to show you a hack that further increases the likelihood that anybody who abandons your cart will come, return, and make a purchase. So the most important factor in increasing the conversion rates on your abandoned cart recovery is by making it as easy as possible for customers to convert. And the little hack that I actually figured out with Shopify is if you actually just put in a link your domain/checkout, it'll bring the customer directly back to the checkout with the items that they already had in your cart, already in there, with any coupon code that they already had applied. So now that we have this specialized link, the question is, how do we use this to make it more powerful? So in my experience, one of the best ways to utilize this link is not just with email and SMS, because a lot of this is already built into the softwares you're likely already using. The way to make this more powerful is to utilize it with social advertising. So all you're going to do is pick your preferred social advertising platform, and you're going to create custom audiences in 2 different ways. The first way is you're going to export everybody that's abandoned the cart in the past couple of weeks. And this is very simple to do with Shopify. All you have to do is go into your Shopify dashboard, go into orders, abandoned checkouts, and then export within a specific date window. Once you have this list exported, now you can upload it to your preferred social advertising platform and create a custom audience. The second way is just by utilizing pixels. And although pixels have become less and less effective, I still recommend that you try to create a custom audience for anybody that's visited the specific domain and URL attributed to your checkout process. So now that we have our custom audiences, we're going to want to create a campaign that focuses on frequency. So we want to try to hit these customers not only as quickly as possible, but as often as we possibly can in these campaigns to increase the likelihood of them to convert. So now we have our campaign of objective of trying to hit them as quickly as possible and as often as possible. We have our custom audiences of who's ever visited the checkout specific domain for your checkout process, and the actual email addresses attributed during the abandoned cart process that you exported from Shopify. And now all we need to do is create a very engaging ad and be sure to utilize that specific link of your domain/checkout. So now whenever a user visits your website, initiates the checkout process, and abandons, they're not only going to get an email, an SMS, but now whenever they go on social media, they're going to be hit with an ad from your brand saying, finish off where you started, finish your checkout, and they'll click the link and be brought directly to the cart with the items already added and any coupon code that they had previously applied. Now, the best way to really supercharge this is you can actually create a custom URL where you can force a new coupon code to be utilized in the checkout process automatically. So let's say with the advertisement that you're going to be running on social media that you want to provide them a free shipping coupon code. Well, all you'll need to do is create a very specific URL that's your domain/discount/ the coupon code $redirect equals and then /checkout. And what this will do is it'll automatically send users directly to the checkout with this coupon code that you picked automatically. And this is super powerful. So now you can apply whatever discount code you want to increase the likelihood that they'll actually convert on their abandoned checkout. And that's it. That's the entire process that I utilize to increase the abandoned cart recovery rate by at least 300%. So I hope you implement this. I hope it's as powerful for you as it has been for me, so you can try to recover as many of those people that abandon your checkout as possible and increase your sales overall. I'll see you in a week.